morning. Welcome, teachers, parents, and the class of 2025. I know you all can't believe that this day is finally here. It feels like just yesterday we were walking into 8th grade, unsure of what the year would bring. I remember when Ms. Carter told us that 8th grade would fly by before we knew it. I refused to believe that was true until now. My name is Aubriana Geary, and I am honored to be the salutatorian of Atlanta Heights 8th grade senior class. First, I would like to thank my biggest supporter, my mom. Because of her support, I have grown so much. She was always there to encourage me throughout the many challenges I faced. Next, I want to thank all the teachers at Atlanta Heights. My time here was better because you helped me learn and grow. Thank you, Mr. Sam, for always believing in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Thank you, Mr. H, for always making class entertaining. Thank you, Ms. Carter, for always being so kind and caring. Because of them, I've learned how to stay focused and keep going, even when things get hard. Lastly, I want to congratulate my classmates and all of the families here today. We've reached this milestone together, but this is just one chapter in the story of our lives. Now I will be introducing the valedictorian of the class of 2025, Carlos Guerrero Reyes.